Hi guys, I'm Obi and welcome back to our channel. What I'm going to cook for you today is my famous chicken schnitzel recipe. Before anything else, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new content every week. This dish is a staple in our household and we've been cooking this for more than a decade now. Today, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to cook this. Let's begin. Okay, so we need 750 grams of chicken breast fillet cuts or chicken tenders, 120 grams of panko breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, now you need a packet of chicken breading mix, so I prefer using crispy fry, especially this spicy flavor. You need 1 small stick of margarine. You can use butter if you want that lighter flavor. 2 eggs, salt to season, and of course, bottled parmesan cheese. Let's season our chicken with salt. You don't have to add a lot because we're still using parmesan cheese for this recipe. Now let's add the flour to our chicken. Now we'll combine our chicken breading mix. Then we'll add 2 eggs. Now we'll give it a good mix. We want our chicken to be fully coated with the mixture. Now we have a sticky mix. Let's toss over our chicken to our panko breadcrumbs. We want to have a good coat of breadcrumbs on our chicken. Let's fry our chicken after coating them with breadcrumbs. Let's cook the chicken until they're light brown, low to medium heat. You will need a basket or a strainer to place your chicken when they're cooked. There you go. Now let's do another round. A little bit faster this time. Remember not to overcrowd your pan. We're almost done, so we'll start to gather our chicken and place them in the basket. There you go. I placed the margarine in a bowl and I will heat this in the microwave oven for about a minute or a minute and a half until it's melted. Now let's place the chicken in a mixing bowl. If you have a big one, that's better. Then we're going to pour our margarine to the chicken like this. Amazing smell. Now we will add parmesan cheese and lots of it. Okay, so here you go. Don't be shy. Just add parmesan cheese and continue to mix it. Now I'll add more cheese. The cheesier, the better. Now we're done. This looks so yummy. Just look at it. Mmm.